I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your security on Razorpay, enabling two-factor authentication is a smart move. Here is how you can do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Start by logging into your Razorpay account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Settings option, usually located in the sidebar. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Security or Security Settings. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose a method such as SMS or an authenticator app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Verify your method. After enabling it, you will need to verify your chosen method. For example, if you selected SMS, you will receive a code on your phone that you must enter to complete the setup. Make sure your phone number is correct to avoid missing the code. Now you're all set. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Razorpay account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Razorpay support. Stay safe.